In the meantime, a man was fatally shot during a police operation in Parry Town, Ocho Rios, St. Anne early Friday morning. The deceased is Rashane Allen, OC Coco. Police say members of the Area 2 fugitive apprehension team were acting on intelligence and went to a premises in search of the man. According to the police officers encountered the suspect in the yard and ordered him to stop. They allege he pointed a handgun at the team, prompting two officers to open fire. Allen was taken to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. A firearm and ammunition were recovered at the scene. Indicom is investigating.